Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room the crude oil inventory session of the Backpacktrader training room for Wednesday, October 5th. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered financial advice. And on to the charts. All right. Crude has been active this morning, but I kind of like it. Good morning, Johnny, Miles. I kind of like seeing it sitting right at the moving averages coming into the report, as that means we've got fairly neutral trading, and the report could be a significant driver. Good morning again, Jeff. So we have the 8-cent momentum bar, 8-tick range bar on Spotlight for the crude. On the right, we have the counterpunch 377 tick chart, crude chart on the lower left. And we have the unleaded gas, RB, 20 tick range bar or 0.002 momentum bar, depending on your platform. Also that's on Spotlight. So that's where we are. I will try to mark our reaction range when the report comes out with these orange horizontal lines. The dark cyan or dark turquoise line there, I'll put on the money management level for our trades as they become active. And there is the report. So far, that's about our range. There's the first trade. And that goes too far. So that will be all right. We're still within 30 seconds. There's a new long trade. I'm going to push the reaction range up just a bit. And a short. Short stops out. Flat, looking for our first trade. And we have 50 seconds. That's still pushing our range up a little bit. And that was right at 1 minute, so I'll maintain that for a range. And there's another short that stops out, setting up a new long. And we are in our session. With a get in sync on the long. And get that in quickly enough to track But well, maybe, and hasn't gotten the money management quite yet. Unleaded going too far too fast, as has and there's money management, so that trade is off the table. All right. Actually, that's going to be a one and done session, hitting target one, because there was plenty of time to get into that trade. I was just off screen handling mine. It did push through the upper bound of the reaction range. And hitting target two. 20 and 32 ticks, 52 ticks on that trade, one and done. And just stopped out if you're using the trailer. Things happening fast this morning. Our regular session ended this. There is a short on unleaded, 66.74. Trying to push down through the 20 SMA there. Okay, the previous trade on the 377 tick counterpunch chart has stopped out, so we will look for a new setup there as well. There's a short. Plenty of time to get your order in it. Boy, it bounced through. I don't know if it would have. Oh, bouncing right off of the 50 and 200 there. And unleaded. Hitting both targets 1 and 2. So that'll be a one and done session there. And stopping out. 46 or 72 ticks, depending on which you're trading. And stopping out at 66.31 from 66.74. So 43 ticks on the trailer, 46 or 72 on the target, one and done on unleaded. So spotlight charts are both done. You still have the 377 tick counterpunch chart in play. note to everybody, next week's crude inventory session will be on Thursday, Columbus Day on Monday. So our schedule will be regular Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday sessions, and crude oil inventory report on Thursday at 11. Next week. So that's a week from Thursday, a week from tomorrow. All right. 377 tick, still short in positive territory, but needs to get down to money management at target 1 at 86.53. And not moving a whole lot. Just to take a quick look, let's see what that's what the daily range looks like. 87.71 to 85.42. So just over $2, about $2.29 range for on the day's session. And we're pretty much right in the middle of that at the moment. Questions or comments? This is a good time for them. Not much going on. There is a potential stop and reverse. I'm going to expand this 377 tick chart. There is a potential stop and reverse. 87.03. And stopping and reversing to long at 87.03 from the short at 86.84. 19 tick loss times 2 positions is 38 ticks. Target 1 money management is at 36 ticks. Target 2 is at 55. Now let's see how that looks compared to. Okay, we're still well above our reaction range. And getting close to target 1. $87.37. That's actually 34 ticks above our entry. And 53 to target 2. 87.56. There's money management, so bring your stops to break even. 87.04. That's plotting at 86.99 because of major key level adjustment at the $87 level, because our unadjusted stop is at 87.02, which is within two ticks of a major key level. But with our stop and reverse adjustment, we would be at 87.04. And now that's where the plotted stop is. So we'll pick up the trailing stop from here. Looks like it's going to go to 87.08 on the close of the bar. And there we are, 87.08. Lots of resistance right in here around the 87, just below 87.40. Saw that back around 9:30 this morning as well, 9:15 to 9:30. But crude continuing to push up now. Is it going to? There it stopped at 87.24. That's 21 ticks. This will be a POQ trade. This trade is going to get us positive. Stop now at 29. We're going to get at least 26 ticks out of this. So that will be 52. And we're down only 38. So this definitely is a POQ trade, whether we stop out on the trailer or hit target 2. We're running in a lot of resistance here in this 87.40 range. You've got a number of swing highs: 47, 43, 38, all back, three swing highs back here. Definitely affecting us in this region. And looks like it's just going to meander there a bit. And there's a stop out at 87.29. That's good for 26 ticks times 2 positions, 52. That gives us a 14 tick positive on the session. And that finishes all 3 charts that we have this morning. Questions or comments? And small rooms. We're down to just 4, so I'm going to go ahead and call it a morning. 10 minutes till 11. And we'll let everybody get on with their day. Regular session 9:30 tomorrow morning. Next week's schedule Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday 9:30. Regular sessions, crude oil inventory report session next Thursday at 11 because of the Columbus Day holiday on Monday. So we will see everybody tomorrow. Everybody have a good afternoon. You're quite welcome, Jeff. Pamela? I hope you didn't miss anything with your coffee break. Definitely was a fast-moving morning, both in our regular session and the crude oil session. All right, folks. Have a good one. We will see you tomorrow morning at 9:30 Eastern.